we go, as promised. The wand. I still got the cord outside, but I'll be putting that at the end of this video. And for starters, I just took the screws out of here, so it would take up less time on taking it apart, and that's some of the handle falling apart because there is no screws in it. So let me see, what do I have? Where's my crowbar? Just to get underneath to pop this up. How's that work? How am I supposed to do that one? Well, so how's everybody's day been going? Good morning to y'alls. I thought this was gonna be an easy peasy thing, but it's not one to come apart. So. There we go. Now let's flip this back down. Pull this off. Actually, let's pull this off before we pull it down. Oh wow. This is one complicated mess. Nasty mess. Like, ew. Like shit I don't even want to touch. That is nasty. Whoa. That was almost my foot. Okay, now let's use this screwdriver because it has ratchet strap action. Oh, whatever it is, this stinks. Man, that reeks. But I couldn't pass up all this see what I see right now? That's a bunch of copper goodness right there. That's a long screw. That is a long screw. No wonder why this crap didn't work. Oh my goodness. This is just downright horrible. There's some number 1 wire. Heck yeah. And just by the back of that, there's a pile in here too of nastiness. That's probably why more and more people said that they weren't going to take apart the vacuums. Because, I mean, let me get you down around over here to see it. Like, that was underneath of the handle in here. So, but with as much copper as came out of here, which is probably roughly, I would say at least 2 to maybe 3 pounds, I couldn't pass it up. I mean, and the bare bright, I haven't even counted into it, because I guarantee you that hose has got at least maybe 20-25 foot of what looks to be bare bright in it. So yeah, that's a good thing. Here's a switch that'll have some brass or copper contacts in it, maybe silver contacts, I don't know. I haven't taken one of them apart either. So this is just garbage, and this stuff's garbage. Come on. Get out of there. is this? Garbage. Okay, well, I will be right back after I throw this stuff away. Alright, now let's get the rest of this tore down, which don't look to be that much trouble. Ooh, nice. Those will be brass. I can tell just by the look of them. And that'll be some more copper one wire once I pull it out of the sleeve. Okay, well, it's gonna want me to cut it, so cut it in half, and that way I can see about, yeah, I should be able to pop that off with some, whoa, not that, that almost hurt. There's a way of doing that. See, there's a little button right here. It's not a button, but it's beveled up so that it's hard to take off. Same with this, so yeah, that's let's see what's in here first before I let you go. Garbage. Oh, there's a switch and some more number 1 wire. No wonder why it wouldn't work. It had a Lego in it, and it's all clogged up. Let's see if I can pull it out of there just to... Wow. No wonder why it didn't want to pick up anything anymore. It was all clogged up with that. It probably still worked just fine once I cleaned that out, but it's okay. It's all tore apart now. So there's some more garbage. There's a switch right there. Some more number 1 wire once I get it cleaned up. And then that's garbage. And then I don't know if these, I think they're stainless, but oh no, they're definitely not steel. Oh, that part's clogged up too. That clog went far. Let's see if I can get it all in here. as promised, there's the wand all broke down. I already threw out the orange stuff and the black piece. I said screw that little piece of metal roller thing on the bottom. I wasn't too enthused with it, so. But yeah, that little gray piece at the bottom over there, that's garbage. Because it's all plastic, there's nothing to it. That's metal, so that'll about do it though. See you in the next one, and y'all stay safe and have a wonderful day, and God bless.